a remarkably ageless vintage book series called the Just William series, written by Richmal Crompton. It is a sequence of 39 books. The series is about the adventures of this unruly and incorrigible boy, William Brown. These 39 books were published in a period of 40 years, from 1922 to 1970. William Brown is a middle-class schoolboy of 11. He lives in a village in England. He is confident, strong-willed, independent-minded, and a born leader. He doesn't care about his clothes and appearances. He is the leader of his band of friends, which consists of his best friend, Ginger, and his other two friends, Henry and Douglas. William is quite fun to read, but if I had a friend like William, I would truly want to get rid of him because he'd get me into trouble. He always manages to terrorize his family while thinking that he's helping, and his efforts turn out as unfortunate outcomes. But he cannot help being naughty. My favorite book in the series is William and the Television Show. I really hope I lived in the time William did. There were so many interesting things to do. I loved it when he would engage himself into all sorts of dangerous pursuits in the woods and streams without adult intervention. Like all the famous children books, the William series is just as enjoyable for adults. It is brilliant for both children and adults alike. I'll rate this series a 4 out of 5, deducting 1 point because it got a bit confusing at some points, but it made sense at the end. Getting hands on these books is very difficult, but if you want to read the series, then I'm sharing the link of the audiobooks in the description box down below. See you all in another bookish video. Oh, meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button if you like this video. And of course, do not forget to ring the notification bell. So, goodbye.